Hello guys, what's up? I'm not feeling really well right now. And to add it all up, I've got a copyright strike. So this is a really bad day. But there's gonna be new changes. Because I've got copyright strike plus I've got warning. So this channel is not really monetized. So I am creating a new channel for there to create more anime videos. Instead, instead of continuing in this path on this channel. Because right now, fuck's sake. Because right now, I did many manga videos and I privatize all of it because I'm fear it will get copyright strike again. I just I don't think I can continue it in this channel. So I've made another channel there. I will create approximately three videos for the first drop, then continue a video every week. So if you still want to support me, please go there. I'm not gonna continue in this channel anymore. I will still be making more videos on anime. So please support me there. I'm not gonna make any elaboration. I'm just gonna create this video to encourage you guys to subscribe to me there. I'm not even gonna edit this because I'm so defeated. Like a whole year of a whole year of content just got deleted because of the copyright strike. And I'm not gonna cover any more videos about manga. And I want to strictly more on anime and commentary and reaction about anime. And I want to continue it. So please, if you want, click the link on the pinned comment, and there is my new channel. Please, guys, please support me there. I'm dizzy right now, really, because I've got a flu. I'm forced to make this video. So fuck, fuck, fuck those copyright holders. They are messing with my mind. I am really tired and exhausted right now. But anyway, if you still want to watch anime, uh, I review anime. Please go there. I will review Silent of the Witch. Um, and plus the worst anime I watch right now, Water Magician. I fucking hate that anime. And I've watched that. I am gonna cover that. And one of my growing favorite series, as in Hulu right now, Uma Musume. I will cover that too. So please subscribe to that channel and wait for me, and I will upload reviews on the channel weekly. Thank you, guys.